Enterprise apps are messy and frustrating. They are time-consuming, expensive, and not customized for user needs. This challenge is common across all verticals, and business users struggle to solve this efficiently. Let's consider an example of a marketing agency. Agency-client interaction is complex and involves sharing multiple versions of files, leading to errors and inefficiencies. An advertising agency executive wants to do the best for his client. However, he is struggling to satisfy demanding clients with a small budget and lack of tech help. He is frustrated with keeping track of all the back and forth with the client that happens over email or chats, and spends hours creating performance reports on past and current campaigns for the client. Marketing Agency X engages with a client on a new campaign. Agency executive Tom receives a media brief from the client that outlines the goals of the campaign. As he starts to ask clarifying questions, there are changes that are being made to the media brief by both Tom and the client. Emails are sent back and forth, and some of the changes are discussed over chat. Both the client and Tom are frustrated with the back and forth. More importantly, some of the discussed changes are not reflected in the final brief, which impacts the media plan that is created ahead of executing the campaign. This results in significant time and cost downstream when creating the media plan and during execution, resulting in low client satisfaction scores. Tom is not able to find a customized solution that meets his needs with his available resources. I heard about Myl-AI from my colleague. Let's see how it works. Tom logs into the Myl-AI platform to see if it can help him. He sees applications that some of his colleagues across departments have built, and now he can start solving his business problem. Tom shares in English what he wants to build. Requirements Gathering Agent engages with Tom. To expand on his initial ask, Tom customizes the suggested flows and interacts with the agent to make it his own. Tom is satisfied and accepts the flow. Requirements Gatherer Agent works to create user stories that Tom reviews. Tom reviews and shares with colleagues to receive inputs and makes changes as per his requirements. Platform generates use cases. He can also invite others to review user stories and use cases and make changes. So input from all stakeholders are captured prior to building the application. Agents create requirement documents and engineering plan needed to interact with the build and test agents. Tom can share these documents with his technical colleagues if needed and monitor the application development process. Platform does compliance, legal, and security checks to ensure it works with Tom's agency's criteria. Once the back-end and front-end are generated, the application is ready to be tested. Tom receives a notification that the application is ready for user testing. Tom reviews multiple scenarios and makes sure it solves his business problem. He also suggests changes as he sees fit. Updated application is shared with Tom for his final review. Based on documents shared, the platform receives and logs the approvals from IT, security, and compliance teams. Tom starts engaging with his client to start working on his next marketing campaign. Agency client workflow is just an example. Using Myl-AI platform, business users can build a variety of applications across verticals to make themselves more productive and efficient. Work with AI to solve your business problem.